our fifth chapter, First Indian Awardees. National awards in India are a part of the Indian honors system. Bharat Ratna, Padma Shri awards, military awards, literary awards, bravery awards, sports awards, Ashoka awards, etc. These awards are to be instituted irrespective of any distinction of race, occupation, caste, position or gender. In this chapter, we will see many such awards and their respective fields and recipients. Let us start with the Bharata Ratna. Bharata Ratna. It is the highest civilian award in India. They are given to people who have given the highest level of service in artistic, literary or scientific achievements and sports people. Maximum of 3 nominees being awarded per year. The recipients receive a Sannad, that means certificate, signed by the President of India and a people leaf shaped medal. See this picture, people leaf shaped medal. Our first question, first and only industrialist to be awarded the Bharata Ratna. The answer is J.R.D. Tata. J.R.D. Tata. Jahangir Ratnaji Dadabhai Tata. Jahangir Ratnaji Dadabhai Tata. J.R.D. Tata. He was an Indian aviator, entrepreneur and chairman of Tata Group. Chairman of Tata Group. He won Bharat Ratna in 1992. He won Bharat Ratna in 1992 and he was the first and only industrialist to be awarded the Bharat Ratna. First and only industrialist won the Bharat Ratna, J.R.D. Tata. Jahangir Ratnaji Dadabhai Tata. First sports person to be awarded the Bharata Ratna is Sachin Tendulkar. Sachin Ramesh Tendulkar. He is a former Indian cricketer. He has the highest number of runs in both Test cricket and one-day internationals, and also highest centuries in both formats of the game. Sachin Tendulkar became the youngest person to get Bharata Ratna 2014. In his age 40, Sachin Tendulkar became the youngest person to get Bharata Ratna. Sahitya Akademi Award. It is a literary honor in India. India's National Academy of Letters. It is given to writers and their works for their outstanding contribution to the upliftment of Indian literature. The awards comprise a plaque. Plaque means palagam. And a cash prize of rupees 50,000. Sahitya Akademi Award. Our third question. First recipient of Sahitya Akademi Award for English. Sahitya Akademi Award for English. R.K. Narayan. Rasipuram Krishnaswamy Iyer Narayana Swamy. He was an Indian writer. He was born in Madras. Now its name is Chennai. R.K. Narayan. Narayan won Sahitya Akademi Award for English for the book The Gate. His book The Gate in 1958. 1958, R.K. Narayan got Sahitya Akademi Award for English for his book The Gate in 1958. In 2020, this Sahitya Akademi Award for English won Shashi Tharoor. The former External Affairs Minister has won the Sahitya Akademi Award for his book An Era of Darkness. An Era of Darkness. In 2020, Sahitya Akademi Award for English got Shashi Tharoor. Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award. It is for excellent sports persons. Not all the sports persons get nominated for this award. The players of the Commonwealth, Olympic and Asian Games receive the nomination. Commonwealth, Olympic and Asian Games receive the nomination. The President of India delivers the prize to the winners. The Government of India started the award in the year of 1991-92. Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award. It is of the highest value in the field of sports. Highest value is in the field of sports. The award contains a medal, this medal, a certificate and a cash prize of 7.5 lakhs. A medal, certificate and cash prize. Our question, first recipient of Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award. First recipient of Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award. Vishwanath Anand. Grand Master Vishwanath Anand. He was the first recipient of this award in the year 91-92. He is the country's first chess grandmaster. Chess grandmaster and 5-time winner of World Chess Championship. Grandmaster Vishwanath Anand. Rohit Sharma, the cricketer, has won this award in 2020. In 2020, who got Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award? Rohit Sharma. He is the cricketer. And first woman recipient of Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award is Karnam Malleshwari. Karnam Malleshwari. She is a retired Indian weightlifter. Retired Indian weightlifter. Karnam Malleshwari is a weightlifter. She is the first woman to win a medal at the Olympics. She received the Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award in 1995. 1995. First woman recipient of Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award, Karnam Malleshwari. Aparna Ghosh for basketball. She won the first Dhyan Chand Lifetime Achievement Award. Aparna Ghosh. Dhyan Chand Lifetime Achievement Award. It is given in sports and games. This award termed after one of the most famous hockey player of India, Dhyan Chand. Dhyan Chand was a hockey player, famous hockey player of India. This award was founded in 2002. This award is given for one's excellent performance and achievements in sports. This award comprises a statue, a certificate, ceremonial dress and a cash prize of rupees 5 lakh. The primary winners of the award were Aparna Ghosh for basketball, Ashok Diwan for hockey, Shahuraj Bharadwaj for boxing. Dhyan Chand Award is usually offered to at most 3 sportspersons in a year. First recipient of Dhyan Chand Lifetime Achievement Awards, Aparna Ghosh for basketball, Ashok Diwan for hockey, Shahuraj Bharadwaj for boxing. Paramveer Chakra. It is India's highest military decoration awarded for the highest degree of valor or self-sacrifice in the presence of the enemy. The medal has been awarded 21 times, 14 of which were posthumous awards. Posthumous awards means after death. Paramveer Chakra means Wheel of the Ultimate Brave. First winner of Paramveer Chakra, Major Somanath Sharma. Major Somanath Sharma. He was commissioned into the 8th Battalion, 19th Hyderabad Regiment in 1942. Somanath Sharma was martyred on 3rd November 1947 while repulsing Pakistani infiltrators near Srinagar airport. For his gallantry and sacrifice in this Battle of Budgam. He was posthumously awarded the Paramveer Chakra. Major Yogendra Singh Yadav got Paramveer Chakra in 2020. In 2020, who got Paramveer Chakra? Major Yogendra Singh Yadav. Major Yogendra Singh Yadav got Paramveer Chakra in 2020, this year. He is the youngest Paramveer Chakra winner. Who is the youngest Paramveer Chakra winner? Major Yogendra Singh Yadav. First and only Air Force personnel to receive the Paramveer Chakra was Flying Officer Nirmaljit Singh II. Flying Officer Nirmaljit Singh II was awarded Paramveer Chakra posthumously in 1971. He was the first and only Air Force personnel to receive the Paramveer Chakra. He was only 28 years old when he laid down his life defending the Srinagar airfield on 1971 at his age 28 years old. Flying Officer Nirmaljit Singh II. Ashoka Chakra. It is India's highest peacetime military award for courageous action or self-sacrificing away from the battlefield. Ashoka Chakra. This is awarded for the most notable bravery. Ashoka Chakra is awarded for the most notable bravery. The first woman to receive the Ashoka Chakra was Neerja Bhanot. Neerja Bhanot. Her bravery, the government of India posthumously awarded Ashoka Chakra Award. She is the youngest recipient and the first woman recipient of this award. Neerja Bhanot is the youngest recipient and the first woman recipient of this award. She died while saving passengers on Pan Am flight. Pan, Pan Am flight. Flight 73. Pan Am flight 73, which had been hijacked by terrorists during a stopover in Karachi, Pakistan on 1986 September 5. Once more, she died while saving passengers on Pan Am flight 73, which had been hijacked by terrorists during a stopover in Karachi, Pakistan on September 5th, 1986. Neerja Bhanot. In 2020, Ashoka Chakra Award who got Ashoka Chakra Award? Jyoti Prakash Nirala. Jyoti Prakash Nirala got Ashoka Chakra Award in 2020 posthumously. Last question. Tagore Award for Cultural Harmony. It is annual award instituted by Government of India in 2011 as part of commemoration of 150th birth anniversary of Gurudev Rabindranath Tagore. The award is given for cultural harmony. First recipient of Tagore Award for Cultural Harmony is Pandit Ravi Shankar. Pandit Ravi Shankar. First recipient of Tagore Award for Cultural Harmony. Pandit Ravi Shankar. He was the Indian Sitar Maestro. Got Tagore Award in 2012. Pandit Ravi Shankar. Okay children, study well this chapter and prepare notes of all the awardees and also try to list the most important achievements that were made by in the respective fields. Okay. Okay children, thank you.